Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews of the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into the SweetLeaf Organic Pure Stevia Powder Shaker Jar, the best organic pure monk fruit sweetener available today. This product has gained a lot of attention for its natural, zero-calorie sweetness and incredible versatility. So let's take a closer look at what makes this stevia powder a standout choice for those looking to sweeten up their diet without the sugar. First, let's talk about what this product is all about. SweetLeaf Organic Pure Stevia Powder is made from pure stevia leaf extract, which is known for being a zero-calorie, sugar-free alternative to traditional sweeteners. It's a product that's perfect for anyone following a keto or gluten-free diet. Whether you're on a low-carb diet or just looking to reduce your sugar intake, this stevia powder gives you that sweet taste you love, without the added calories. One of the things that makes this sweetener unique is its all-natural ingredients. Unlike many other sweeteners on the market that use artificial additives, SweetLeaf Stevia powder is free of any added junk or harmful chemicals. This means you can enjoy your sweet treats guilt-free, knowing you're getting a pure and clean product that won't affect your health negatively. This stevia powder is not just organic but also certified paleo, so it's an ideal choice for people who are conscious about what they consume. Another feature worth mentioning is the convenient shaker jar. The design of the bottle makes it easy to use and perfect for on-the-go sweetness. Whether you're adding a little extra sweetness to your coffee, tea, or even a smoothie, this shaker bottle allows for easy, mess-free application. It's compact, lightweight, and portable, making it ideal for travel or for keeping in your kitchen. Now, let's discuss the taste. SweetLeaf Organic Stevia Powder is known for its crisp, clean sweetness. Unlike some stevia products that leave a bitter aftertaste, this one delivers a smooth, pleasant flavor that enhances your food and drinks without overpowering them. It mixes easily with both hot and cold beverages, so no matter how you enjoy your sweetened treats, this product will blend right in. For those of you who are concerned about your health, SweetLeaf takes things a step further by partnering with organizations like the American Heart Association. This shows their commitment to supporting your well-being. You're not just buying a sweetener, you're supporting a company that cares about health and sustainability. So, if you're looking for a natural, organic, zero-calorie sweetener that fits into a variety of lifestyles, whether you're keto, vegan, or just health-conscious, SweetLeaf Organic Pure Stevia Powder is definitely worth considering. It's a great alternative to sugar and other artificial sweeteners, and with its clean ingredients and ease of use, it's a must-have in your pantry. That's it for today's review here on Product Critique. If you've enjoyed this breakdown of SweetLeaf Organic Pure Stevia Powder, make sure to hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.